10-point weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dave Williams.
All right, here we are. We're looking at a mess in the Northeast over the next several days, and we're looking at a mess right now with the weather computer. It seems to be locked up. Locked up. No fun at all. All right, how long can we talk about watches and warnings in the northeastern United States? This is the only weather map we have to work with right now. Dean has questions, so maybe we'll have to do a little question and answer session here soon. But there's a big nor'easter forming out in the ocean right now. And with that big nor'easter forming, we've got some weather problems up there. We've got aerial flood advisories, aerial flood watches from Philadelphia to New York, up toward Boston. That's the green color here. This blue color, those are winter storm watches. They're expecting some heavy snow to come out of this nor'easter. The pink there in northeastern Pennsylvania up into New York, those are winter storm warnings. So there's going to be some heavy snow heading up. And even from just off to the north and west of Washington, D.C. on into eastern parts of Pennsylvania, we're looking at winter weather advisories. So it's going to be a rough storm as it heads up to the northeast. Take a peek at our weather computer here and see if things are any better. And indeed, they're not. Not at all. So Dean has some.
All right, here's the first question.
Question and answer.
Okay, this is Victoria's drawing. Will we have any rain?
Oh, good question, Dean and
Thank
Victoria. Maybe a couple showers tonight, but for the most part, things are going to start to look better.
All right, wait. Does that look better?
Oh, sun. I like the sunshine we have going on there. That sunshine, we're going to start to see some of that as we go later on into the week. I'm expecting the sunshine to return on Wednesday. And once that sunshine returns, it's going to stick with us right on into the weekend. Now, today, our high temperature was only 48 degrees. The average high temperature this time of the year is 63 degrees. So we were 15 degrees below average. And as we go into the next few days, we're still going to see those cool temperatures. Tomorrow's high is about 10 degrees below average. Ooh, I like this. I like this. Yes. Close? Let's see. Tomorrow, a little warmer tomorrow. Just
How much
little
warmer?
Bit. About 54 to 55. So a little warmer tomorrow. Then this one here is actually supposed to be about 58. Now we're going to see some more clouds here. More clouds tomorrow, Dean. Yes, that looks good. More clouds tomorrow. Then on Wednesday, partly cloudy skies, mostly sunny. Not too bad there, Dean. I like the effort. Upper 50s, though. And then by Thursday, I think we'll get back to 60 degrees. And then through the rest of the week, headed toward the weekend, yeah, all that sunshine there, that's going to be sticking with us. Lower to mid 60s as we go from Friday into Saturday. Now
Vic has something.
Uh-oh, Vic's got something. No, none of that. No snowman. No
By the
snowman.
way, oops, wrong one. I didn't know what the lows were going to be.
Oh, that's where we could see some temperatures back in the lower to mid 30s. Tonight in the upper 30s, so it's going to be chilly. And then as we get clearer skies, that means colder morning starts, but eventually some
I think that's too cold, isn't it?
That is too cold. Maybe 1 or 2 days down around.
How about pets and plants? We can draw that.
Pets and plants. Yeah, we'll have to worry about that maybe toward Wednesday morning. All right, that's all the time we've got. Maybe, just maybe, we can kickstart that weather computer for a final weather later on. We'll get a look at that full 7-day forecast. Dean, Victoria, hats off. Way to go. Thank you for saving the weather forecast. All right, we got plenty more coming up right after this.